Hey, let me show you 5 the most popular themes for the Galaxy S24 or S24 Plus. So we can find this function by going into the themes on the settings. Now when you open it, you have to click on the menu in the right, click on the right upper corner and input any phrase, like for example, 3 themes. And now when you select this one, you can click here and switch to the top paid or top 3. Let's take a look, for example, for the top 3 themes. And as you can see right here, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's take a look for this one. There we go. So here we can find the preview, how it looks, with all of the icons, keyboard theme, with the always on display. We can go for another one. It actually looks very, very similar. There we go. Now we have to go for this one. That's the name 3 Starry Night. Okay, another one is actually Simply Sound Quality 3 theme. Also with the different always on display style. And when you go for the last one, okay, this actually looks cute. That's the baby orca with the best keyboard theme and with the new always on display theme. So yeah, as you can see, that's the top 5 free themes for the Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus. So right now, please subscribe to my channel.